So I'm gonna do another bell replacement. It's just gonna be the final part. And then I don't know if it's gonna be or not, but it is gonna be just the final. Oh, YouTube app. Close YouTube app. I'm going to maps. It might lag just a little bit. So we're gonna run just on Bloomington, Illinois. We'll go just to Kent Road. Won't show this, but updated with an ASCE bell. I think it was. I think ASCE bell's on Galt Road. I think it's here. Well, not quite in this preview, but. So now we're gonna go just to. Now we're gonna go just to Venus Ave. Now I'm gonna go just to Colorado this time, since. Now we're gonna go to BNSF. No. Hopefully I don't say Union Pacific because that isn't usually BNSF. So this ICHE bell is gonna be replaced with GS Type 3. And this ICHE bell over there is gonna be replaced with GS Type 2. Because they replaced a mechanical bell a long time ago. I think it's a Safe Trim mechanical bell. Yep, it was. So now it's replaced with the ICHE bells. And then they're going to be replaced with GS Type 2 over here. And then the GS Type 3 over here. It's just going to run just a little slow. So it should go now because I might have to do an intro. Part of an intro. The seatbelt's just done. Oops. This. Okay, here we go. That's the edit mode. And I'm gonna go just to this one. This one's gonna be a GS Type 2, I think. Hold on, that's not my good drawing. Alright. Yep, I'm gonna do the rest soon. Right, this track heading south to Pueblo. I think it's just heading to Pueblo. And then heading north just to this Fountain Security and then to the Springs, I think. Which Academy Boulevard's just a bridge, as you know. I know that Academy's a bridge, as you know. So the trains don't even really just go through here. When I got rail fanning, it doesn't even rarely go through here anymore. It doesn't even get rarely trains go through here. Trains don't even go rarely through here anymore. But sometimes it just does, but maybe the road work wasn't done over there. I think it's at like, I'll show you. The road work was in this city over here. Now it's all done. I think it's in the city here somewhere. I I think it's this one. Yep, it's this one, so it's right near this city, I think. I think it's this crossing here. Yep, it's this one just now. Just got missed. We're gonna fix this one up. I just started it just here, I think. It's just over here somewhere. Pretty soon it's gonna be just done. Cause when I was gone to New Mexico, so this crossing just got fixed a long time ago, I think. Alright, I'm gonna have to go now because I don't wanna kill my battery. And a video would ruin it. Well, not kill it. Well, that's not a good word, so. I don't want my battery to go dead, so I think I'm gonna have to go pretty soon. So, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you soon. Bye.